There's Ricky. There's Mikey. There's Mr. Bojangles. There's Wilbur. There's Belle. There's Sunny. There's the wild turkey. She has now became part of our flock. Here comes Sunny. And there's Cinnamon over there trying to fight with Uno through the fence. So there's the wild turkey. She's been up here eating. I just now started talking, so she's starting to walk away. How you guys doing today? Huh? How you guys doing today? You're gonna make me dizzy, Ricky. You're gonna make me dizzy. Wilbur! Mikey! Look, when I put the camera on you, you don't want to talk. Cinnamon and the wild one, they are just best friends. I took a step towards her. She don't like it now. But I've been standing out here for a few minutes with her. As soon as I started talking, that's whenever she started to leave. There's Uno. Hi, Uno. Hi, baby. How you doing today? Uno the emu. Hi, sweetheart. There's Shadow. How you doing today, Uno? You know Uno? I know Uno. There he is. There's Uno. There's my buddy Uno. There's Uno. Hi, Uno. How you doing, buddy? Huh? How you doing? Hi. I'm doing good, Dad. Quit grabbing my beak, man. Just out here chilling with the birds. Chilling with the birds. Shell, we did receive that bag of dog food. Thank you so much. Big bag of dog food got sent to us by Shell. Thank you so much. All the critters like dog food. Everyone. That's Uno's main diet. Oh, Shadow. Thank you so much for the dog food, Shells Soul 429, I think it is. I call her Shells. Thank you so much, Shells. What do you think? What do you think, Uno? Got the female right there outside the fence. She's gonna lay down. Wonder if with me behind this fence if she'll let me walk up there. She's looking at me. I don't know if she'll let me walk up there or not. Come here, if you move closer with me. There you go. You move closer with me. No, she's gonna get up. I thought that if you went with me, that I could use you for camouflage, a diversion. There she is, with Cinnamon. You guys just following me around, huh? Just following me around. These are all my boys right here. Got 6 boys. So that's Mikey. That's Wilbur. That's Ricky. That's Belle. That's Sonny. And that's Mr. Bojangles. Well, that was chilling with the birds. Thanks for watching from Country Critters. Love you all. Come on, I threw you some dog food there. Come on. There it is. Yeah, there it is. Just got done with the video and walked around the cage, and she was trying to get in our food. So I decided to give her some. Was the turkey scaring you or am I scaring you? A little bit early, ain't you? I'm gonna try to squat down though. Oh, come back here. There you go. Got Uno standing behind me, eating dog food. And got the raccoon standing in front of me, eating dog food. I told you everybody loves dog food here, Shells. Everybody loves dog food here. Hey, there we go. There we go. Ain't you so cute? Ain't you so cute? Ain't you so cute? You are a nursing mother. That's for sure. Yeah, you were trying to steal some dog food and I gave you some. Look, I rewarded you for stealing. Look how cute you are. Yeah, look how cute you are. You cutie. You get all bashful too. Look how cute you are. Oh, I love you so much. You done? No? Uh-oh. Uno scared you. That's good enough video. I gotta get up, guy. Girl. Uno scared you, huh? Them feet. I can't stand to be down here. Well, he's gonna finish eating. I'm gonna get up off the ground. Thank you all for watching.